reads. One day, there's a big dinosaur walking that moved his tail. And first, the tail has two stripes. Why do you have two stripes? Why do you have two stripes? And there was tiny rings on top of the rock. I have to go down. Now cannot. Now how can I go there? One day I saw there's a big dinosaur. It's the big dinosaur. Whoa, Mommy, this is a big dinosaur.
Whoa.
Yeah, that's huge.
Yeah.
Okay, one day you saw there was a big dinosaur found two cheese sticks like this. And they have a tail and feet and hands and cheeks and eyes, nose, and eyes and cheeks. And one day I saw there was a big dinosaur. Mommy, here it is. I found him. I found him.
Oh, good job.
One day you saw there's a dinosaur. Like this is a dinosaur train. That one is a tiny, and this one this is a tiny, and this is a dinosaur. And first I have to remove this. One day I saw there was a big dinosaur and a blue dinosaur. Mommy, look, like this is a big dinosaur.
Whoa. Is that scary?
No, that's not scary at all. Mommy, look, this is a blue dinosaur that's big.
Okay.
I see.
Is that a friendly dinosaur?
No, it's actually a dinosaur.
Okay. They're huge.
Yeah, they're huge.
Tall.
Yeah, tall.
Okay.
I have to read.